Right, so you guys have seen me do this before. SX4 2-liter engine. The one idler pulley here, not the one on the belt tensioner, but the standalone idler pulley is bitched, right? Pretty common problem with these. This is the Gates part number. I'll just show you the tolerance between the mount stud here and the inner sidewall, the inner structure of the car on the right hand side. Is so tight that you won't be able to get this off the stud without some. There's a line in the way. You'll need some grief. You'll run into some grief trying to remove this, but because I've done this multiple times, you like to think you get a wee bit smarter about things. I'll show you a wee trick I learned, and it's not OSHA approved. So if you're a safety freak, don't do it. Don't pinch your fingers in the process. Keep your fingers out of the way. But when I'm mounting this one, I should have shown you me taking this one off. But when this one goes back on, I'll show you what the issue is and a little technique to get around any real grief.
So under the car here, guys, there's the new idler installed and the new belt. And so the issue is, of course, the length, because of the length of the stud that the idler actually mounts on, that the nut actually secures the idler on with the attach hardware. Can you see that line with a rusted clamp right there where my finger's pointing? When you try to go to take this off, there's not enough clearance. Now you can certainly remove all these lines, and if you want to do that, go ahead. But in a decrepit car, you know what starts happening if you start taking lots of stuff apart, right? So much easier just to use a wee technique on the top side there. Let's go up top side and I'll show you how it's quick, easy, effective, and you can get just that wee fraction. I mean, you're only going to get 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch maximum clearance here. That's all you need, right? Just enough to slip the idler by.
Right, so here's the ticket, guys, right? So just at the right-hand engine mount here, there's a bit of play, so you can shove the engine towards the, well, in North America, it's the driver's side, right? And if you have 2 pickle forks, they're wedges, of course, right? So it's easy to just slip the wedges in. You'll get that wee gap and allow you to put in right there. Slip the pulley off. You can see the line there quite clearly. That'll stop you from taking it off. There's just not enough clearance. Yeah, so anyway, I think you get the idea. As you push, right, just let the other pickle fork wedge go down, and it'll allow you to open up that gap that you need. Wedges, inclined planes, simple machines, but clever and useful. That's it, boys. I know I'm repeating. You do videos on the same cars for long enough, you start repeating yourself. I've done the idler pulley in the past. If you want all the details, torque specs, and the belt sizes and belt routing and stuff, go check out the other video. You'll find it on the channel. That's it, boys. Cheers.